Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the easy process on how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. So the first step is to link the bank account to both PayPal and Cash App. So to do this, you have to open the PayPal app or the website. Then from there, go to the wallet, then tap link a bank account, then add your bank account. So you can simply add your Chase Bank or West Fargo. It depends on the bank account you have available. Then from there, you have to open the Cash App, then tap your profile icon, then tap on linked a bank. Then from there, link the same bank account you link in your PayPal. Then from there, you have to transfer the money from the PayPal to the bank account. So in PayPal, go to wallet, then tap on transfer money, then select transfer to your bank account, then choose the linked bank account, then enter the amount to transfer. Then this may take 1 to 3 business days, or was instant transfer fee. If it is instant transfer, a fee will be applied if eligible. Then after that, you have to add money from your bank account to your Cash App. So to do this, open your Cash App, then tap banking, which is at the bottom left, then select add cash, then enter the amount you transferred from PayPal, then tap add and confirm with PIN or Face ID. And that's how you can simply send money from PayPal to Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.